Hi everybody, welcome back to Like a T6. Today we're starting off a little bit differently from normally sitting in the back. I'm heading off to the Tonbridge van centre to get this van lowered. Currently I've got standard springs. I think it sits way too high. I can almost get my fist, well, I can get my fist between the wheel and the arch, which has been driving me nuts for about a year, and I've decided to finally do something about it. I toyed with the idea of doing it myself, but I haven't got the tools, I haven't got the jacks. I'm on a bit, where I actually live is a bit slightly in a bit of a hill, so it's a bit dodgy to do. And yes, it looks easy, and everybody will tell me you should have done it yourself and saved all that money. Just buy a couple of £100 springs, whatever, and it's going to cost loads of money at VW, and they're going to do a bad job anyway. So I did a bit of ringing around, had it booked in somewhere. I won't say where, but the springs weren't VW approved springs, I don't think, because I'm slightly worried. I'm still within 2 years of warranty left, and the last thing I want is any issues down the line. So Eibach springs, they are the Sportline springs. I put the picture up now, exactly the springs and the quotation as well. Good price, I think, for 455 quid. I got it a little bit cheaper than that. I spoke to the guy and he managed to do it for about 445 fitted. So happy with that. If I'm going to bring the springs back anyway, put them on eBay, I might get 50-60 quid for a standard set of springs on here for somebody out there. You never know. So it's actually, I'm not so fast. It's going to cost me about 100 quid extra to get somebody else to get dirty hands and do it. So it's covered under warranty, so it's all good. So I'm on the way there now. I'm going to go and get the guys down at VW Tonbridge to get the springs put on there, and then we'll see what the results are. Right, I am told it's done. Let's go and find it. Oh, that looks a bit better. That looks a lot better. That's better. Nice. Subtle. Much better at the front. Sitting a lot better now. I'm loving that. Back's not that different, but the front sits down. It doesn't look like it's taking off anymore. I'm loving it. Let's see how it drives. Welcome back everybody, it's done and I'm driving it back, just come back out of Tonbridge. I'm impressed. The waiting time was only about 2.5-3 hours and it was done. I knew it wouldn't take too long. This is why a lot of these VW garages try and quote you ridiculous prices when the time is all off. Now they're a decent garage down there, they actually have a decent idea of exactly how long it's going to take. So yeah, I'm chuffed to bits, and the ride, I know a lot of people want to go lower and they want it to be absolutely slammed, but I've got a young family and doing quite a bit of travelling in it, and I don't want it to be absolutely slammed and banging around. And I haven't got all the money in the world, so I think 30mm Eibach springs and keeping as much VW as you can so it keeps it warranty. For me, it was a good idea. It's up to you. I mean, do whatever you need to do, but for the amount of money to get it done, and yeah, I wasn't going to do it myself. I wouldn't trust myself to do it. Yeah, 445 quid bargain. I think it looks a lot better. Have a look at the pictures, see what you guys think. I'll do some little videos and before and after. I mean, I could get like a fist under, as you can see, before, and at the back it was about 3 or 4 fingers. So it's gone from like a bit of a Luton slapper to more of a kind of a Kent girl now instead. So yeah, it's much better. The ride, I think, was getting bumpy on 20s, but it isn't. I've got 40mm profile tyres, and I think that is an absolute perfect combination. It fills the rims, even though it's not that low, it's still filling the rims decently. Now, I was also told that after a while, it's even going to settle a bit better, because obviously springs are made of metal, things can settle. So let's see, let's give it a few weeks. I'm going to see how it goes and settle in. I'm going to give it at least 2 weeks before I get the wheels aligned to make sure if there is any issues with settling, that it's completely settled. And once I get the wheels aligned, I don't want any issues with anywhere and sort of wear and tear on the wheels if it's slightly offset. So anyway, yeah, great. I absolutely love it. Great bit of kit to be putting on. I'd recommend doing it at any time. I think if you're going to buy a van, just load straight away. Don't take a year like I did. I know money's a tight situation at the moment, but yeah, 445 quid, VW fitted. I'm impressed.